We're privileged to be here today to participate in the torch run starting here in Indianapolis that will eventually make its way to Terre Haute. We love sharing untold stories, and so today, through our partnership with Special Olympics Indiana, we've been able to learn so much about this incredible organization, how it not only impacts the Special Olympic participants, but also how they impact our community. And so just being able to be a part of this alongside of the law enforcement officers who are here today is really a privilege for us to say, hey, these partnerships matter, and we're thrilled to be a part of them.
As a community, we have to get together and we have to support each other. We have to honor each other. And in the world that we live in, anytime that we can give thanks back and give smiles back is just really important. I think that's why we're all here today.
I've met a lot of nice people over the years here in law enforcement. They've been very supportive of Special Olympics and very supportive of me, and they encourage me and encourage a lot of other athletes, and there are a lot of great people. But yeah, I'm looking forward to running with a lot of these law enforcement officers and other Special Olympic athletes. Be brave, everyone.
We have 19,000 athletes across the state of Indiana, and I guess my role is just to make sure everything happens to the benefit of our athletes, and we empower them to grow as individuals and be the best people they can be. We're 1 week from our big summer games, which is our largest sports competition of the year. Our athletes will travel to Terre Haute on Thursday or Friday, accompanied by local coaches that have given so much of their time and effort to make our athletes the best competitors that they can be, and just help us to put on the best games possible for our athletes.
You see what it does for them. You see how it helps them achieve goals and accomplishments in life. It's just a very great day to come out here and continue to sponsor, continue to support the athletes, and continue to participate and show our love for the games.
So we look forward to being a part of this awesome event again in the near future. And if you would love to support the great works of Special Indiana, go to soindiana.org to learn more about this awesome organization. Not only what they do around the Special Olympic Indiana Summer Games, but also what they do as an organization and all the great programs and services they provide for free to so many great Hoosiers around our state. So stay tuned for more content that you'll see from Bone Dry Roofing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all of our social pages, as we would love for you to follow along with the great things that we're doing, not only in the roofing industry, but also within our community.